How to connect phone to laptop with USB cable. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can connect phone to laptop with USB cable. Now the process is quite simple. What you want to do is you want to connect one end of USB cable to your USB port at the left hand side of your desktop. It is normally located at the left hand side. You'll get two different ports. You can add it to anyone, and what you want to do is at the other end of the USB cable, the other end of cable, you want to connect it to your phone. Now I'll just connect it to my phone and you'll get a notification here at the bottom of the screen, as you can see. Now what you want to do is at your mobile, you want to scroll down the notification bar and you'll find the notification there that Android system and USB for charging. What you want to do is tap on it and then you'll get various options. You'll get transferring files, USB tethering, MIDI, or transferring images, or charging phone only. You want to select it to transferring files or Android Auto, and this way your phone access or your phone storage access will be granted to your desktop, and you can transfer files and browse files through your laptop. So this way you can connect your phone with laptop through USB cable. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.